In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send a Salesforce report to anyone. Now, this is an incredibly useful feature within Salesforce for those of us working in team environments where sharing updates and data is essential. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, there are a couple of important limitations to keep in mind. This feature requires that both you and your recipients are Salesforce licensed users, which means it's designed to work internally within your organization. Also, worth mentioning is that you cannot send these reports to external email addresses, so keep this in mind while you're planning who needs to receive these reports. Let's jump right in. Start by opening up the report you'd like to share. Once you've got your chosen report open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a drop-down arrow right beside the Edit button. Click on this arrow, and from the options that appear, select Subscribe. This is the key feature that enables us to automate the sending process. After selecting Subscribe, you'll be prompted to set the schedule, frequency, and any specific conditions for when the report should be sent out. This gives you flexibility and control. For instance, you may choose to send reports daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on the needs of your team and the nature of your data. You also have the option to set specific conditions that trigger the sending of the report, such as when the data meets certain criteria. This feature is particularly handy for ensuring that your reports reach the right people at the right time. Now that you've established when and why your report will be sent, it's time to decide who will receive it. You'll do this by adding internal users, or roles, to your subscriber list. Adding users is straightforward. Start typing the name of anyone on your team who needs this report, and Salesforce will suggest matches from your organization. If there's a whole department that should receive the report, consider adding a role instead to ensure everyone within that group stays informed. Once you've set all your parameters to your satisfaction, the final step is to click Save. This action locks in all your settings, ensuring your chosen colleagues will receive the reports automatically according to the schedule you've assigned. And there you have it, a streamlined way to keep your team up to date with important data and insights in Salesforce. Automating report distribution is not only a time saver, but also ensures everyone remains informed and aligned with the most current information available. Thanks for joining today, and with these steps, sending Salesforce reports automatically will be a breeze.